Hello everybody, today another Minecraft command block video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make jet boots. It's a super simple, super easy command block creation, and it's really fun to fly around and just mess around with it. So if you guys enjoy, please consider liking and subscribing. Really helps me out, and always unsubscribe later. Anyway, let's get right into a tutorial and demonstration. Okay guys, so how this works is it's not at all dependent on these jet boots I have. These are for looks. What it's dependent on is this lever I have in my 8th or 9th slot. So if I just put on these jet boots, look, they look like little jet boots, and I drop this lever on the ground, you see it's going to light up, and I'm going to start flying. I can fly around, like this, and if I drop it again, it turns off, and I fall. Catch yourself, and you can fall, and jet boots. As you see, these are the commands. It looks a little bit bulky, but it's like, yeah, these two rows are like the exact same with 4 different words throughout all of them. So you can just clone, and then type in these two. It's really not that hard. So let's get into a demonstration and tutorial. So first, or not demonstration, just a tutorial. So first things first, we have tag at p add jet. And what this is for is this allows you the ability. And as you see, this is how you remove the ability to use the ability, if you want to copy that down. But as you see, if I drop this now, it's not going to work for me. I'm not going to get to fly and fly and fly. It's just going to sit there. But if I click this button, which it does this command if you want to copy it down, it's impulse and just a button. And then I drop it, I start flying. And that's because this entire system relies on tags. And what tags are is they kind of give you a data value that lets it so that you can be distinguished from other players. And yeah, so the second set is for turning it on, and this one's for turning it off. And then this one gives you the ability to fly. So what this does is it executes on behalf of a lever. Right on top of it, it tags add e square bracket tag equals jet and adds on. So what that does is when I drop a lever, it'll give everyone who has the data value of jet, it'll give them the data value of on, which would be jet on. So your jets are on. And this is a repeat unconditional needs redstone if you want to copy down that command. The second one is an execute replace item. So this executes on behalf of people that are tagged with jet. So people who have the ability to use the jet boots. Right on top of them, it replaces the item entity of add e square bracket tag equals jet, and that's people who have the jet ability. And then on slot.hotbar 8, which is slot 9 in your hotbar, because Minecraft goes from 0 to 8 instead of 1 to 9, it puts a redstone torch. So when I drop this, it's going to tag me with the tag on, and it's gonna, in this slot right here, it's gonna put a redstone torch, signifying that it is on. And this needs to be a chain conditional always active. If you guys want to copy down the command, it's right there. And finally, it's kill add e square bracket name equals lever. So it just kills the lever. So when I drop it, you see the lever doesn't actually drop onto the ground. That's what that final command block does. It's a really small, simple command like that. And it's chain conditional always active. Now, the second set right here is for turning it back off. And how this one works is it executes on behalf of add e square bracket name equals redstone torch. The parentheses are very important because there's a space in the name. And what that does is when you drop a redstone torch, it's going to tag people with the tag jet. It's going to remove on, so it'll be off, jet off. Because it's removing on, so it's turning it off. And that's the command right there. It's repeat unconditional needs redstone. And it differs from this one. It's just instead of saying name equals lever, it says name equals parentheses redstone torch. And instead of saying add on, it says remove on. So they're basically the same thing. Now the second one executes on behalf of people with the tag jet. Right on top of them, it replaces the item of entities with the tag jet. On their 9th hotbar slot, it gives them a lever. And that, when I drop a redstone torch, will put a lever in that slot. The same as this one, it's just instead of redstone torch, is lever. So if you want to copy that down, once again, it's chain conditional always active. Then right here, well, no, right here, we have kill at e square bracket name equals, parentheses redstone torch, and that one kills the redstone torch that you drop. Same as this one, it's just redstone torch instead, chain conditional always active. So as you see, when I drop the redstone torch, it disappears, I get a lever, and the tag is removed because the tag is what's letting me fly. Now finally, we have what makes you fly, and this is acting through the tag on. So it's executing on behalf of all entities with the tag on. It's affecting them with levitation for 1 second, with true meaning no particle effects. So the first one is how, the first digit is how long it's active for. The second one is how the power is. And Minecraft, once again, goes 0 is 1, 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 3 is 4, so on and so forth. And for this scenario, it's 1 second at the power of 4. So as you see, when I drop this, it gives me the tag on, and it gives me levitation 4 for 1 second. And why it's 1 second is when I drop this, it removes the levitation because it's removing the tag on. And this needs to repeat unconditional, needs redstone with a lever. And if you want to copy that down. Then finally, we have execute on behalf of tag, or at e square bracket tag equals on. So if you have the on effect, it's going to set right on top of you particle, Minecraft explosion particle, which is like the particle that happens when a TNT explodes. And it's going to, because it's Minecraft : explosion _ particle, and then tilde, 0.2, tilde. And what that does is it does right on top of them, but it happens at like right around their chest. Like it's half your body. Actually, let's just demonstrate this real quick. Let's grab a yellow and an orange. So as you see, if I real quick go like this, you see I'm 2 blocks tall. Now, as you see, the orange one ends right at the middle, and the 3 tilde represent that orange block right there. But 0.2 above the orange block would be like a little bit, it's around your chest area. And that just kind of gives it a better effect for when you're going up faster. It just makes it look more seamless and cooler. And then this needs to be a chain conditional always active command block, and there's a command if you want to copy it down. And yeah, that's how you make jet boots. Of course, these are just iron boots named jet boots for cosmetic purposes. You don't actually need them. Like as you see, I remove it and I still fly, but it looks nicer with the boots. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, go make this on your world and fly around all you want. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.